In this video, we learn how to turn off Windows 10 Start menu suggested app ads. So to turn off and to disable suggested app, firstly click on Start and click on Settings. Now here click on this second option, Personalization. Now in this left side panel, click on Start. Now here you will see some options like show more tiles on a start, show app list in a start menu. Here is the option show suggestions occasionally in a start. So turn off. Just you need to slide it to off position. Now close it. So like this you can turn off and disable Windows 10 Start menu suggested app ads. Thanks for watching.